beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about a brand new product from Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Peach Bloom Color Blossoming Lip and Cheek Tint. A very, very long name for this little tiny bottle of product. This product is currently available. You can find it from the Too Faced website. It's also on both Ulta and Sephora's websites, and these are priced at $25 US a piece. Too Faced sent over all 4 shades for me to try. I think we can all agree $25 is pretty expensive for a lip and cheek tint. So I'm going to give you as much info as I possibly can. I'm going to do a really close-up demo, see how it applies, how does it look, is it cute. First, I want to give you a close-up of the packaging. Here's the outer packaging. I wanted to show you the box that it comes into. It is a little iridescent plastic outer packaging. It's the same for all 4 shades, just this little label, of course, on top is different for each color. The blush itself comes in a shiny plastic packaging, and the packaging is color coordinated to the shade inside. So this pink one is Strawberry Glow, this more purpley one is Grape Pop Glow. So they do have a coordinating color. Each one contains 7 milliliters or 0.25 fluid ounces. The top twists off. It's pretty easy to open. Then the applicator is this really big, oversized, squishy, curved doe foot, similar to what you might see on like a lip oil. It reminds me, is it the Clarins lip oil maybe that has a similar big squishy doe foot? I was quite surprised by the texture of this product. I don't know if you can tell, it is very jelly. I was definitely expecting something more similar to the Benetint from Benefit. That's a really, really liquidy tint. This is a much thicker, more viscous jelly texture. No surprise coming from Too Faced. These are all scented and they do all smell different. So each one is individually fragranced to smell like the fruit that it's named after. Across the board, the fragrance is sweet. It does seem pretty subtle. I don't notice a lingering scent from it, and it actually took me a minute of playing with these and swatching with them to realize that they were individually scented, which I think is a cool touch. Not incredibly necessary, but it's fun nonetheless. The Guava Glow one does give me a little bit of Bath and Body Works vibe. I don't quite know how to explain it. It has a sort of sweet fruity scent, but it also kind of reminds me of a good smelling shower gel. The strawberry one has my favorite scent. It definitely smells like a piece of strawberry bubblegum. The peach fragrance has a bit of a vanilla undertone to it. According to Too Faced, all 4 of these shades are enriched with Manuka honey and marshmallow extract. And I think this peach one actually gives me a little bit of a marshmallow scent. It's not their typical peach scent, I'll say that. And then the Grape Pop Glow definitely smells like that classic artificial grape candy kind of scent. We've probably all smelled and tasted that fake grape candy many, many times, and it doesn't smell bad to me, but I know some people don't like the artificial component, and that is definitely what this smells like to me. The shades look a lot more similar to me with my little swatches. Their swatches look a lot different. Certainly they're more built up, they've got a professional photographer. You know, they're doing the most and I'm not necessarily doing the most. Let's get to the fun part. I'm going to apply this one on camera. This is the Strawberry Glow shade. It's my favorite scent, and like I said, I think they all look pretty darn similar, so I'm just going for the one that I like the smell of the most. So let's zoom in. I'm not really sure how I want to go about this. I don't necessarily want to just swipe it on my face, but I think that's what it's designed to do. My natural inclination is to take some on my finger and tap, especially because with Benetint, if I tap that on my face, it leaves like a stamp. It's not good. So let's see if maybe this jelly formula is a little bit more forgiving. I'm nervous. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Please don't stain my face like that. Wait, does this actually look really good. When I first stamped it on there, I was so afraid, but that just blended out so easily, and am I crazy? Does that look really cute and dewy and just, I love a dewy cheek. Oh my gosh, wait. I'm a little bit shocked because I didn't think I was gonna love it, especially not just swiping it on like that, but okay. Let's get really, really close up here. It actually looks really good. Does it look good from far away? Yeah, it does. What the heck? Okay. I mean, I'm glad. I'm just surprised. I have just concealer on my face, and I did come away with a little bit of concealer stuck to my finger. So it did kind of remove the makeup underneath, but it still looks really cute, so I guess I don't care. Let's see if the first one was a fluke. If it actually still looks cute on this side. Wow, it smells really good. It looks so bad when you first dab it on like that. I'm telling you, it's just blending out really easily. I was very nervous. I think I'm a little bit scarred by using Tint, where I just stamped it on and then it just left that shape on my cheek. This doesn't do that. This blends out really well. What? I thought this was going to be really gimmicky, but I honestly automatically like it more than I thought I was going to. So let's see how much makeup I pulled up on my finger. That's the finger I just blended out with. Here's a little makeup wipe. Oh, so it's not that much anyway. I mean, I'm not wearing a ton underneath. Like I said, I just have concealer all over my face, but okay, better than I thought. Better than I thought. I'm going to show you really, really close up. That way you can just see inside of my pore, so you can see as much of an HD experience as you would ever want. Okay, here it is, really close up. You can see all my little pores and all my little freckles and everything. Alright, I'm going to be honest, I am really surprised that I like it, because I thought it was going to be either a gimmick or it wasn't going to work well, or both, and it actually looks really cute. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I really like the strawberry one, the smell. Try it on my lips. Oh, wow, it looks really cute on the lips too. It feels good. Feels a little glossy. And I know from swatching these that this does leave a stain behind. So here's what it looks like close up on the lips. Cute. Well, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really have high hopes for this product. I was expecting this to either be really, really similar to the Tint, which is not my favorite makeup product. I thought that maybe it wouldn't show up that well, maybe it wouldn't blend out that well, but I think that it ends up looking really, really nice on my cheeks, especially because I have dry skin, so I want my skin to look dewy and a little bit beyond glowy. We want to go one step beyond glowy, casually sweaty. That's what I'm looking for. And a lot of cream cheek products end up being a cream to powder, more of a matte finish formula no matter what. This has my skin looking dewy. It doesn't feel super sticky to the touch, but it doesn't feel like it's dried down to a powder either. It definitely has a bit of a dewy feeling, but I think with that stain factor, it really is going to stick around for a while. I don't think it's just going to slide off. I think this is going to be a really, really great product for the dry skin folks of the world, and really just anybody who wants a dewy, juicy looking little cheek moment. I came into this expecting to be underwhelmed, and I am impressed. I actually really think this is a super cute product. My main criticism is just that the shades mostly end up looking the same. I wish there was some more variety in the shades, but this is for sure something that I'm gonna keep using. I like the way it looks both on my lips and my cheeks. It was easy to use, easy to blend out, looks good, feels good. What's not to like? I mean, am I crazy? It looks like cute and fresh, right? It's a little bit subtle, but you could definitely build it up. I don't know, let's see. Can we build it up? Just do a little bit more. Oh, a little bit more. That's like a lot more. Okay, Amanda. Yeah, You can layer it. That's 2 layers, that's 1. 2, 1. Well, now I have to even them out. Oh, that's a lot. I get excited sometimes. Anyone else? Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It's really fun to use. It's really fun to play with. The texture is fun to touch. It smells fun. Okay, that's really bright. I'm gonna tone her down just a little bit because the brightest blush life is not necessarily for me, but if it is for you, you can go to town with these. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about this product. Was this even on your radar? Are you interested? Have you picked it up? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, off to a great start. Is this exclusive to Sephora? Things I should have found out before I started this review. A true professional. Here with my... zoom it right in, zoom it in. Ooh, so close. Why did they make this part of the peach line and then make it other fruits? I don't get it. I don't know. I don't pretend to understand how these companies work sometimes. Branding is weird. That's for sure. I'm just over here living my best life. Oh boy. We really went for it, didn't we? Oh, you can kind of wipe it off too. Things you learn when doing a thumbnail. Wow, this stuff is so cool. Okay. I'm glad I forgot to do a thumbnail so that I could continue to play with this blush more. Next video, I'm just going to be covered in blush. It's fine. Worse things have happened. This feels like lip gloss on my lips, but it doesn't feel like lip gloss on my cheeks. Confused, yet intrigued. I am confusion. Even though the holidays are over, don't forget to keep supporting small businesses too. Go check out my friend at By Mel Klein. Almost all my earrings that I wear in my videos are from her shop. I have a little coupon code here. It's not an affiliate code. I don't earn anything from it. I genuinely don't want to take any of her money. If you want to be fun and fancy with your earrings like me, you can go check out her shop if you want to. You can use this code. It saves you. I don't earn anything from it. I'm not here to sell you earrings. I'm just here to point you in the direction of really cool, fun, funky party earrings. If you're into that sort of thing. I am. It's okay if you're not. Everybody's welcome here. Okay, anyway, I'm rambling and that's just what happens, and I need to charge my camera battery, and I hope you have a great day, and I love your face so much. So much. Okay, see you in the next one. Alright, you have a great day. Or have an okay day. And it'll be better tomorrow. Alright, love your face. Okay.